Hi everyone, it's Ishan from FunFTC, and today we're going to try something a little different. We're going to do a FUNalysis, and this is a FUNalysis of finals match number 1 from the Oregon Silicon League tournament, where we've got Team 12808, Revamped Robotics, and 12599 Overcharged Robotics playing in the finals together. Let's go ahead and jump right into this.
Your destination for first content, updates, and gaming.
Welcome to the fun.
First Updates Now is supported by Kettering University. Kettering University hosts 3 co-op employment fairs each year for incoming and current students. Participating in the co-op employment process at Kettering is a great way to begin turning robotics experience into a professional career to earn money towards graduating debt-free. If you are a senior, it's not too late to apply at kettering.edu/apply.
So starting out, right, finals match number 1, you've got 2 of the top teams from Oregon playing together. They're sister teams, so they've practiced a lot together, and we're going to see a lot of that practice come into effect here in this match. So we'll go ahead and take a look at auto. We're going to see, right, you got a high deposit auto there, so that's going to be 1 in the high goal. That's 2 in the high goal now for the Red Alliance, 3 in the high goal. And let's see if they can get this 4th one, and they get the 4th one in the high goal. So already they're going to start telly-up with 4. Not as high as we've seen in more recent events, but still pretty solid autonomous considering that this was taken in early February. So now we go into the teleoperated period, and this is where things are going to get a little interesting. So we still have that 4 in the high goal. You're going to see they get a little caught up there, right? That cost them a couple of seconds. Not too big of a deal, but still, if we go back, right, that little hookup right there, that costs them a little bit of time, and it costs it costs Revamp to have to go back into the warehouse to grab another piece of freight and deliver it. Not too big of a deal. One of the other things to notice about that last cycle that Revamp did is if you look at it, right, they picked up a ball, they picked up a ball went on the mid goal. That's a conscious decision that they're making, right? They want balls on the mid goal, blocks on the high goal. That way they can fit more up there and they can score higher by the end of the match. Meanwhile, right, like you're looking in this area, right? You got Revamped, they're scoring on their Alliance hub. You've got Overcharge, they've already got 2 on that shared shipping hub, tilting in their balance. Opposing Alliance hasn't scored anything on there yet. Very hard to overcome a 2 freight deficit on that shared shipping hub. So we will have to see how that plays out later on in this match. So, right, another ball goes on the mid goal. There's a 3rd one right here. Another ball goes on the mid goal. So far, Revamped has not scored a single piece of freight on the high goal. There goes another ball on the mid goal, so they're at 4 on the mid. Now they're on 5 at the high. They just scored a 5th one, and you've already got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 blocks on the shared shipping hub, and it's all blocks on there, not the light balls. Overcharge decides, hey, we're good. We've got enough on the shared shipping hub. We're going to actually pass. And so I want to pause right here. You'll see that the path that Overcharge is taking is they're going to come right here, right in and out of the warehouse. They're going to barely get out of the warehouse and drop off the mineral, or drop off the piece of freight right in front of Revamped, which can then just have a path that goes back and forth like this. Interesting strategy, because now instead of just having 1 pass-through, they have 2 pass-throughs, right? 1 through each robot. And like intuitively this may seem like it slows things down, but as we're about to see here, it actually really speeds things up. So right, they get it placed. The hard part that Revamped has is sometimes the piece of freight gets overshot. Alright, and that happened on that last cycle. But look at how quick those cycles are. As soon as Revamped is able to get it, they get it straight in, and now they're doing the full cycle as Overcharge is going to load up that shared shipping hub even more. And the reason why I think they did this is if you look at how full the top of this hub is. Sure, it says 10 here. That 10 I don't believe is correct. We can go back and count exactly how many they got up there. But it's so full up there, if they speed up the cycle time on that aligned shipping hub, it's not going to do them any better because they're not going to be able to stick any of the pieces of freight up there. So smart choice by them, deciding that, hey, we've got enough, we're just going to load up the shared hub, which will get us the 4 points for freight. No way the shared hub is tilting blue anyways. So really interesting strategy that we're seeing there. There's one or two last deposits that they're going to do pass through. Again, quick cycles. And now you see you've got one team going for the cap, and Overcharge decides that they're going to do a cycle, and they're going to go for the other cap. And this is the beauty of having two cappers, right? One of the teams is able to pick up the cap from here, place it, and then go do ducks as soon as they did. And that's what Revamp did right here. While Overcharge can continue cycling, they can get the cap from right here and place it on top. And that allows them to not get in the way of each other, right? This entire strategy in the endgame is so then Revamped has a straight direct shot at the ducks, Overcharge has a direct shot at continuing to do the Alliance hub without getting in the way of Revamped. So really, really smart strategy there. You got the double cap placed, ducks are going for Revamped, and now you're just cycling the high goal and mid goal. I think they decided that, okay, high goal too full, we're going to go for the mid goal and go from there. And so overall, right, absolutely excellent match by both teams there. Unofficially, the score was like 220. We can forward ahead to see what the official score is. It was 344. That was a world record at the time that it was scored. And you can see why. Their entire strategy was built around them working together, whether it be their endgame strategy and staying apart from each other, whether it be their teleop strategy and passing the blocks through and knowing when to stop passing those blocks through. Excellent job by 12808 and 12599, Revamped and Overcharge in this match, and we will see you all next time.
Thanks to Kettering University for their support of this video. If you want to continue enjoying the excitement of robotics, come check out what's going on at Kettering University, including their Combat BattleBots team and First Center. Turn your robotics experience into a professional career. Be sure to apply to Kettering beginning in August of 2022. Go to kettering.edu/apply to learn more. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell to stay up to date on our new videos. Keep the conversation going and provide your input to our content. Watch our live shows at twitch.tv/firstupdatesnow. Join our Discord at discord.gg/firstupdatesnow and check out Fun FTC on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, and First Updates Now on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter.